Okay, I got these little problems we had fixed, and now I think we need to put a little rack on here. I put a trailer hitch on, so I'm going to go check the mail right now, so I mentioned that. Get a lot of packages, so little rack, what do you think? Okay, update. With this single plate, I think it's 3/16, we had some engine vibration, bounce. Okay, fishing ring. Just had it rain. Wait for it. Okay, back to the this other scrap pile. We need an arch. Kind of like that, but I'm seeing that maybe that was better. Let's go take a look. Okay, this whole rack here I found in the scrap pile. I've been saving it for something, you know. Can't throw good stuff like that away. So anyhow, I think this can go here. Go this way. Well, let's go cut that and see what happens. Okay, we got that cut off. Now this piece, back to the scrap pile. We are noisy in this neighborhood. Got music going up there, got tractor going next door, got me. Okay, I cut up the rest of that leaf catcher and came up with 3 rods. So we're going to go like there, center, and like something like that. And then they also had a corner on them, and I thought I'd weld this here. Got 2 of them. So we get a bungee cord hook, you know. Yeah. Okay, we'll get her done. Yeah, the sun's pretty bright out here. I can't tell what I'm filming, but anyway, I've already drilled a hole and tapped there, and now I'm doing the same thing right here. And it'll be on 3 bolts. Okay, here's what we came up with. So today we had a good example of needing a little rack. It was better yesterday, but we were in the car. So anyway, there's why the rack is there now. Okay, I'll shut up. Okay, this is an upcoming video. This is a very interesting idea I had. So comment and tell me what you think it might be. Actually, folks, look at that. That is light. Oh, I can't believe how light that is. Of course, it doesn't have the batteries or the motor head on it. Motor head is quite heavy. Okay, I'll bring you back. Oh, and if you like this kind of content, be sure and subscribe and hit that like button. Then we can get it out to more people. This is a very, very cool one. You don't want to miss it. And thanks again for watching. Well, I'll be darned. We got that thing in there. Any idea what that might be? Leave me a comment. And hit that like button and subscribe, and then you'll find out what it is. Thanks again for watching.